All right, Wednesday is underway, and what a difference it is. The temperatures are running 10 to 20 degrees cooler than yesterday afternoon. Now, it's not a bad day, but not feeling like spring. Today, that cool winter air will be in place with increasing clouds through the afternoon and evening. And that takes us to our next little system coming through. Not a major system, but we are concerned about some icy travel, and that's why a winter weather advisory has been issued. This is not for any snow, but rather freezing rain that's going to be moving in. Now, for most of inland areas, it's fairly brief in the late evening, first part of the night, but that risk of freezing rain will continue well into the night further inland, and that's where in the northern and western parts of Rhode Island, Foster, Gloucester, Burrillville, and Socket, where you have the opportunity for an icy glaze on the roads and on the power lines. Good news is I don't expect it to be significant, so I'm not expecting power outages, wind damage, that sort of thing, but we are looking at some slippery travel. The reason why, we've got a warm front lifting our way, area of low pressure along that front going to be passing by tomorrow, and that'll keep the clouds locked in place. Here we go, heading into the end of the day and the nighttime hours. You can see at the start and midpoint of the evening commute, that icy mix is moving into western Massachusetts, and then it fills in across the rest of the area as the night goes on. And that area pink, that's that mixed precipitation, mostly just freezing rain, still kind of sneaking into northwest Rhode Island off and on throughout the night. Tomorrow morning's commute, we'll have to watch for some icy spots north and west of Providence. Rest of the area, just some drizzly, damp, and rainy conditions, and that'll be off and on throughout the day. It's a dreary day for your Thursday. Here's how that 7-day forecast looks. Cool air today and tomorrow. Friday we get a little warm up, making it into the 50s, but with some showers in the morning ahead of a cold front. Once that front clears out, it's a chilly day Saturday, and with gusty winds adding to that cold feel, wind chills will be running near 20. Lighter winds on Sunday, and we keep